3 times. We all need a perfect health, and that's the reason that we are here, and we are beginning today's session with अपने ध्यान को आईब्रो सेंटर भ्रूमध्य के ऊपर लगाइए और वहां पे मानसिक रूप से ओम लिख दीजिए. Meditation, yes, we'll do meditation. Anybody else wants to learn something? Only meditation. आंखों को बंद रखिए. Keep your eyes. You're balanced over the feet. Check the balance. Face this side. Heel join the leg. Just walking your head. Fixing the gaze now on a point. Select a point somewhere in the wall. Fix your gaze on that point. Inhale up and 6, 7, 8, 9 and down. Release arms by your sides and shut your eyes. Shut your eyes. Be aware of your own body with the closed eyes without opening your eyes. Try to become motionless now and relax each part of the body, top to the bottom. Eyes are shut. Observe the body, head to the toes. Feel the body, your tiredness out. You feel fresh now. The simple gentle Bhargo devasya dhimahi dhiyo yo na prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvah